Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a new release album from Glass Animals, alright? And this one caught my interest, Show Pony. Nice song, I really like this one. So, yeah, we're gonna look at this and we have 5 chords to handle. We're gonna do that with capo on second, best scenario for us. So, we do like we usually do, go through the chords. So, we're gonna look at A first. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have a couple of bar chords. We're gonna start with B minor first. That's a bar on the second fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up. That's what you need. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Another bar chord next, F sharp minor, still bar on second fret. This time you need to bar all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have E next. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. And the final chord will be D. And that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern that will work through the entire song. And yeah, you hear that in the introduction of this song. You hear that strumming clearly. So if you grab the first chord, the A, one string around goes down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Like this. Okay, so you start with down, down, and then comes up, down. So, and then you just end with down, down, up. So, one round goes. And a couple round. There we have a couple of rounds, and that is what we're gonna work with. Now let's start this song. And the intro is actually starting the chorus as well, because it's the same playing there. So we're gonna look at the intro, and in that same time you're gonna learn the chorus play. So it goes A, 1 string around, B minor, 1 string around, F sharp minor, 1 string around, and E, 1 string around, and that's it. So there you have the chord progression for both the intro and the chorus. The intro here, you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's do that together. 1 string around per chord, A, B minor, F sharp minor, and E, like this. The intro. All right, now into the first verse, and you're gonna continue the strumming here. As I mentioned, we're gonna use that through the entire song. Now different chords. You're gonna play 1 string around of the following chords: D, A, F sharp minor, and E. Okay, so that is the chord progression for the verse, and you're gonna play for 3 chord progression rounds. Let's do 2 rounds together. D, A, F sharp minor, E, 1 string around per chord, like this. Again, D, A, F sharp minor, and E. Alright, so we took it for 2 rounds. You're gonna play 3 rounds. That's the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus, okay? Here, you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So it's A, B minor, D, and E. You play only for this 1 round, 1 down per chord with pauses in between. and there you have the pre-chorus. The pauses will be they last for as long as if you would play the strumming. So A, B minor, this D and E. Right? That's the pre-chorus. And then over to the first chorus, and like I mentioned, you already know that one. You learned it from the intro. It's the exact same play there. So A1, B1, B minor 1, F sharp minor 1, and E1. You go for 3 rounds here in this first chorus. All right, then on the second round, the verse is changes slightly there. So we will go for 3 rounds again, but the chord progression is a little bit different. The first and the third chord progression round is the same as you learned in the first verse. So it's D1, A1, F sharp minor 1, and E1, okay? But the second there in between, it goes D1, A1, then E1 and F sharp minor 1. So you just switch places on the last 2 chords there in the end, and that is on the second round, okay? And then on the third round, again, like I said, you play it in the same way you played the verses before. So in total, again, of 3 chord progression rounds, but the first one and the third round is the same. The second one differs with the E and F sharp minor in that order in the end there. All right, so that's the second verse, and then comes the second pre-chorus. No changes there, still the same as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus. 3 rounds of A, B minor, F sharp minor, and E. After the second chorus, we are hitting the bridge part, and we are about 2 minutes and 59 seconds into the song. Guess what? It's very easy. You just continue with the chorus play, all right? For another 2 rounds, so no changes there. You just go for chorus 2 rounds, and after these 2 rounds, you end with the final third chorus. And instead of playing 3 rounds like you played before on the previous courses, now you're gonna end the song with 4 rounds of A, B minor, F sharp minor, and E. All right. So there you have Glass Animals Show Pony. And perhaps we'll cover some more songs from this new album. This one was interesting for me. I like the song really much, so we'll see about that. But thank you for watching, and if it was helpful, please help me back. Show me some love there. Hit the like button on this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel. Really appreciate that, and give me motivation to go on with this. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Play tuned.